Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to measure distance on the Lowrance application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this plan button down below in the middle of the screen. After that, go to the plan your next trip section and tap on measure distance, which is the second button. So here you should drag the map and tap add point to measure the distances. So here you should select your point and tap on add point. And after that, tap on add point again, and here you can see the measure distance down below. So here you can add the new point if you want to, and down below on the left side corner of the screen you can see the measurements. So if you tap on this more button in the upper right corner of the screen, you can clear and start it over, thereby measuring a new point. So adding 2 points, your departure and destination points. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.